Dodge Challenger Repair Manual. Download a Dodge Challenger factory repair manual in seconds for all 2011 through 2014 models. The download repair manual covers every aspect of maintenance, troubleshooting and repair. The digital book contains 5,661 pages. The book also has clickable chapters that will help you find the repair information you need quickly. Once you download the book, you can save it to your computer or tablet forever. Go to 911manual.com to download the Dodge Challenger Repair Manual instantly. When you get to 911manual.com, click on the Car Manuals tab. Next, select the repair manual. Then download the manual. www.911manual.com, your #1 place for Dodge Challenger repair manuals. Download a manual now.